Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PRTY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, not to state the obvious or rub salt in the wounds or anything, but a very brutal day. Earnings were out on Wednesday, and so today was the first day of trading with it after earnings being released. So massive price movement to the downside and gigantic volume, well above average. So a lot of bloodshed on this one today. But now from a trading standpoint, an interesting setup here going forward. And let me first just get this setup in play. So we have that, and then we have that part right there. And this is what I would call a falling wedge. Now, falling wedge you would think is a bearish pattern, but that's actually a rising wedge, whereas a falling wedge is a bullish pattern. And that's what we have here. Got a nice little falling wedge into place. Now, don't get me wrong, if you're new to charts, I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because there's a bullish pattern does not mean that for sure the price is guaranteed to go up. If only there was such thing as guarantees in the market. But my point is at least a valid thought to have that maybe there's some sort of bounce coming. Yeah, it's valid. Guaranteed? No, but it makes rational sense to have given that there is this bullish pattern that has, occurred. Now, like I said, because there's no guarantees, the price could, come out the gates on Friday and then just continue to bleed and bleed and bleed. And at that point in time, all right, well, this entire pattern has been invalidated. But as of right now, the pattern's in play. So if the price can get the break through that area, so the key break being the top portion of the trend line, especially if that can occur on a high volume break, the question becomes, okay, well, where would these next key levels of resistance be? So with the breakout to the upside of that falling wedge pattern, next key level of resistance keeping a close eye on would be right up there around the $2.50 mark. And then if 250 can be broken, next key level after that, right up there at about $2.75. And then after $2.75, things space out that much more. And the next level is not until up here above $3. However, don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves. First, the price just has to get the bullish breakout to the upside. And then you can start to focus on more of those higher levels of resistance. But definitely an interesting pattern going into Friday. Let's see how the day plays out. Real quick before you go, I'm not going to give you some fancy sales pitch. All I'll say is that if you enjoyed this video, then I'm very confident you'll find some benefit in this live class that I put together. It's totally free, so if you're interested in learning more or potentially registering, just go to claytrader.com/live or see the link down in the description box. It is genuinely a live class. There's a question and answers at the end. It's very interactive, so if you have any questions, let me know. If not, I hope to see you there.